Alrighty, revisiting this the white keyboard. I think it's a K360. Oh, what is this on that right on this underside? Yep, K360 with a white keyboard. Anyways, um, so an issue I'm finding it's connecting okay when you power on. The LED doesn't turn on. So I kind of testing to see if it'd pair with Solar. I'm using MX Linux. It does, and the light's not turning on. So I'm looking at the traces. I didn't get it under the stereo microscope or even the microscope just to see binocular microscope, I suppose. Um, I figured, well, I'll touch probe around a little bit with a multimeter and this ghetto wire and kind of ghetto jumper. but yeah, I figured it out that there's a. Where's it gonna zoom? This would zoom. No, it's not gonna This lead of the capacitor here, there's a little trace going down to there. That must have lost connectivity somewhere. There might be a cold joint right in there. I won't be able to zoom in to see it, but I almost wonder if that's a cold joint somewhere in there in that trace. Isn't connecting. Otherwise, if I jumper that, I switch on, then the LED turns on. So LED's not bad. It's a trace that's gone bad. Well, there it is. I think that's the repair. So I'll jumper that wire, maybe desolder, and then resolder. If the trace is bad right there, I think I might get it under the microscope and see if I can get a little better view of the trace. There's a crack or something somewhere, but I assume it's going to be one of these solder joints. Okay, that's what I observed. Interesting.